Hi, this is Ebony with Virginia Association of Surveyors. Today we are going to go over how to record your credits through our website. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button on the right-hand corner to stay up to date with all things VAS. I've already signed in and I landed on the My Profile page. If you're not on this page, after you log in, you can click on the top right-hand corner on My Profile. On the side, you will see the Manage Profile link. After you click the link, scroll down and click on the Professional Development button. Here you will see two tabs for certification, programs, and journal entries. It defaults to the Journal Entries tab. Here you can scroll down and click Add Entry. Is this entry for a certificate or program? I'm going to hit No. Then I will put in the description VAS chapter credit. For credits, I'll type in 1, and the credit will expire in about 2 years. I'll also choose to upload a relevant file for just in case I'm audited in the future, and I placed it in the attachments. Next, I click Submit. Thank you for watching this video. Please remember to like and subscribe. Bye!